Day 7 of 100. Commander Elias Monroe, reporting from Elysium Planitia, Mars. Water. On Earth we took it for granted. Here it is everything. Life. Survival. The difference between a thriving mission and a silent frozen grave. Today, we achieved something extraordinary. Our first successful extraction of water from the Martian soil. For days, Zuri Chimera has been running simulations, testing regolith samples, and scanning subsurface layers with ground-penetrating radar. The readings were clear. Hidden beneath this red desert, locked in ancient ice deposits, lay the one thing we needed most. At dawn, we deployed the drill rig, a lightweight but powerful system designed to cut into the permafrost. The process was painfully slow. Mars is unforgiving, and the regolith resisted us with every centimeter. Dust-clogged filters, gears strained under the cold, and our backup batteries were pushed to the limit. Hours passed. The team worked in silence, each of us knowing what was at stake. Finally, at 16:23 mission time, we saw it, the first glistening beads of liquid forming in the collection chamber. Not much, milliliters at first, but enough to prove the science works, enough to show that Mars can indeed give us water. The process is complex. We drill into the frozen regolith, heat the core samples inside sealed chambers, and condense the vapor into liquid reservoirs. Each cycle is energy-intensive, but the payoff is priceless. Today, we collected nearly half a liter. Small, but it means survival. Zuri called it the first sip of Mars, and she's right. Of course there are challenges ahead. The extracted water is not pure. It carries perchlorates, toxic salts native to Martian soil. If ingested untreated, they could shut down the human thyroid in days. To combat this, Luca Anderson has been working on a multi-stage filtration unit, using activated carbon, ion exchange membranes, and thermal distillation. The first tests look promising. Clean water is no longer just a dream. The moment was more than technical. It was emotional. Watching those first drops form, knowing we'd pulled life itself out of this dead world, brought silence over the team. For a moment, the endless red horizon outside didn't feel so hostile. But Mars always reminds you. The temperature plummeted as night fell, and we were forced to shut down non-essential systems to conserve power. And then there's the other problem, that signal. Even as we celebrated our first water harvest, the detectors picked up fluctuations again, stronger this time, almost as though it reacted to our drilling. We've agreed for now to focus on survival, water, food, energy. But tomorrow, we cannot ignore it any longer. Whatever is out there, neighbor, intruder or something else, it's watching. For now though, I let the team rest. Tonight, inside this fragile habitat, we drink the first clean drops drawn from Martian ice. Proof that we can endure. Proof that humanity can carve life out of the barren soil of another world. This is Commander Elias Monroe, signing off. End of Day 7.